Furniture making is a craft that has been practiced for centuries, evolving from simple and functional pieces to finely crafted works of art. Today, it is a passion for many, and it is not hard to see why. It offers the opportunity to create something unique and beautiful while also providing a functional purpose. However, mastering the art of furniture making requires more than just a passion for it. It requires a deep understanding and knowledge of the techniques and materials involved. In this video, we will explore the world of furniture making, from the basics to the expert techniques used by professional furniture makers. We will delve into the materials used, the tools required, and the skills necessary to create beautiful and functional pieces of furniture. From selecting the right wood to joinery techniques, we will cover everything you need to know to get started in the world of furniture making. Furthermore, we will showcase inspiring furniture projects that will motivate and inspire you to take your furniture making skills to the next level. 1. Choose the right wood species. Choosing the right wood species is crucial when it comes to mastering the art of furniture making. The wood you choose can determine the appearance, strength, and durability of your finished piece. Consider the properties of the wood species you are interested in, such as the grain pattern, color, hardness, and stability. For example, a tighter grain pattern and higher density can result in a stronger, more durable piece. Additionally, some woods are more resistant to moisture and warping than others. It is important to also consider the availability and cost of the wood species you are considering. By carefully selecting the right wood species for your project, you can ensure that your furniture will not only look beautiful, but also stand the test of time. 2. Master the joinery techniques. Joinery is one of the fundamental skills in furniture making, and mastering it is essential for creating high-quality and durable pieces. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or a beginner, learning the techniques for joining two pieces of wood together is crucial for achieving a professional finish. There are various types of joinery, including mortise and tenon, dovetail, biscuit, and pocket hole, each with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. As such, it is important to practice and become proficient in multiple joinery techniques to choose the most appropriate one for each project. By mastering joinery techniques, you will be able to create furniture that is structurally sound, aesthetically pleasing, and built to last for generations. 3. Learn about wood grain direction. In the world of furniture making, understanding wood grain direction is key to producing high-quality pieces. The direction in which the wood fibers run affects the strength, stability, and appearance of the finished product. As such, it is essential that any aspiring furniture maker take the time to learn about wood grain direction and how to work with it. When cutting wood for a project, it is important to pay attention to the direction of the grain and make cuts that work with it rather than against it. This will ensure that the finished piece is strong, stable, and visually appealing. In this document, Mastering the Art of Furniture Making, Expert Techniques and Inspiring Projects, we aim to provide comprehensive guidance on wood grain direction, along with other essential skills and techniques, to help you take your furniture making skills to the next level. 4. Master the use of hand tools. In the art of furniture making, mastering the use of hand tools is essential to achieving professional results. While power tools can save time and effort, hand tools provide much greater control and precision, enabling the craftsman to create intricate and refined pieces. To truly master hand tools, one must first become familiar with their unique qualities and how to properly maintain them. From chisels and hand planes to saws and scrapers, each tool has its own specialized function and nuances. With practice and dedication, the use of hand tools can become second nature, allowing the craftsman to create furniture that is not only beautiful but also functional and of the highest quality. Alongside the development of technical skills, a deep appreciation for the art of furniture making and a passion for excellence are also essential for mastering the use of hand tools. 5. Invest in order to achieve a smooth and polished finish on your furniture pieces, it is crucial to practice proper sanding techniques. Start by selecting the appropriate grit of sandpaper for the job at hand. Begin with a rougher grit such as 80 or 100 depending on the initial state of the wood and work your way up to a finer grit such as 220 or 320. Be sure to sand with the grain of the wood, not against it, to avoid scratches and other imperfections. It is also important to maintain consistent pressure and motion while sanding and to keep the sandpaper flat against the surface of the wood. Finally, take the time to thoroughly clean the surface of the piece before moving on to staining or finishing, as any residual dust or debris can negatively impact the final result. By following these proper sanding techniques, you can achieve a professional quality finish on your furniture pieces. 7. Understand the importance of finishes. In the world of furniture making, finishes are a crucial aspect of the craft. Understanding the importance of finishes is an essential skill to master as a furniture maker. A good finish not only enhances the overall look of your piece, but also provides protection from wear and tear. There are various types of finishes, including oil-based, water-based, and shellac, each with its own unique properties. Before deciding on a finish, it is important to consider factors such as the type of wood, the desired level of gloss, and the intended use of the furniture. Learning how to apply the finish correctly is also critical to achieving a professional-looking piece. In this guide, we will delve into the different types of finishes, their properties, and techniques for applying them, so you can master the art of furniture making. 8. Learn how to apply stains. Mastering the art of furniture making is a multifaceted skill that involves a range of techniques, including woodworking, joinery, finishing, and more. One of the key finishing techniques that every furniture maker should learn is how to apply stains. Staining is a method of adding color to wood that can enhance its natural beauty and create a unique look and feel for each piece. When applied correctly, stains can help to highlight the grain patterns and texture of the wood while also providing protection against scratches, moisture, and other damage. In this guide, we will explore the basics of staining, including choosing the right type of stain for your project, preparing the wood surface, applying the stain, and finishing the piece to achieve a professional, long-lasting result. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced furniture maker, mastering the art of staining is a valuable skill that can take your projects to the next level. 9. Master upholstery techniques. Mastering upholstery techniques is an essential skill for any furniture maker looking to create beautiful and functional pieces. Whether you are a professional or a hobbyist, understanding the principles of upholstery and how to properly execute them can make all the difference in the quality of your finished product. In your guide, Mastering the Art of Furniture Making. Expert techniques and inspiring projects, we delve into the techniques used by master upholsterers to create stunning and durable furniture pieces. From properly measuring and cutting fabric to selecting the right padding and stitching techniques, we cover everything you need to know to create beautiful and functional furniture pieces that will stand the test of time. Whether you are looking to create a custom piece for yourself or for a client, mastering upholstery techniques is an essential part of the furniture making process. 10. Take on inspiring furniture projects. If you want to take your furniture making skills to the next level, consider taking on inspiring furniture projects. These projects not only challenge your craftsmanship, but also allow you to create unique and personalized pieces for your home or clients. Some inspiring furniture projects you can try include